Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and loading the page you plan to save. This matters because bookmarks capture the current URL and title. Once the page finishes loading, tap the share icon. It's the square with an arrow. This opens sharing and saving options. Make sure you are signed into iCloud if you want syncing across devices. If not, the bookmark stays local. Now, look for the Add Bookmark action in the sheet. That's your first actionable step to keep the page. After tapping Add Bookmark, you see fields for title and location. Edit the title to something short and searchable, because clear titles speed future retrieval. Next, tap Location to choose favorites, bookmarks, or a specific folder. Selecting a folder keeps related links organized. If you need a new folder, create it in the Choose Location screen. This helps group topics. When done, double-check the URL, and then tap Save so Safari records the bookmark exactly where you want it. To finish, tap the bookmarks icon to confirm the new entry is in the folder you picked. This is how you access the page later. To reorganize, tap Edit or long press a bookmark to move it, rename it, or delete it. This keeps your list tidy. If a bookmark doesn't appear on another device, make sure Safari Sync is enabled in Settings your Apple ID iCloud, toggled on. If problems persist, toggle iCloud Safari off then on to force a resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.